you are registered under the EPR in India and still using the old CPCB portal, you need to act now, because CPCB has shifted to new SSO and ETP system, and if you don't transition properly, your compliance and credit transaction can be directly impacted. Hello everyone, myself Srishti. I am the marketing manager at Global Solution Compliance Private Limited. We are an end-to-end EPR compliance consultancy company helping businesses to manage everything from registration to complete compliance, including the credit transaction and the documentation part. Earlier, the EPR system has multiple portal and scattered processes, which created challenges like lack of transparency in credit transaction, difficulty in tracking compliance, data mismatch, delay in approvals. To solve these issues, CPCB introduced a centralized and more efficient system. SSO, Single Sign-On, an unified login system where you can access multiple CPCB services with one ID. ETP, EPR Transaction Portal. This is where all your EPR credit related activity will take place. Credit generation, credit transfer, credit purchase, credit utilization. This makes the entire process more transparent and structured. This applies to producers, importers, brand owners, recyclers. So if you are a part of the EPR ecosystem, this transaction is mandatory for you. So risk if you're not done. If you do not complete the transaction, you may face account access issues, blocked credit transactions, delay in compliance filing, penalties from CPCB's Central Pollution Control Board Department, and ultimately it can disrupt your entire compliance cycle. To ensure smooth migration, first, register on CPCB SSO portal. Second, link your existing EPR account. Third, activate ETP portal access. Fourth, verify all company detail. Fifth, link your recyclers properly. Sixth, monitor your credit transactions. Even a small mistake here can create a major compliance issue later on. Common problems companies are facing. Many companies are currently facing login and OTP issues, data mismatch after migration, credits not reflecting, recycler linking problems, confusion in using the new portal, and resolving these issues with the CPCB can be time consuming. At Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited, we are already helping multiple companies smoothly transition to a new system. We can help you with the complete process from start to finish. Global Solution is going to assist you in a seamless SSO migration and ETP onboarding without errors. Our services include SSO registration and migration, ETP portal onboarding, complete documentation and verification, recycler coordination and linking, credit transaction management, annual compliance and filing. We ensure that your entire process is smooth, accurate, and fully compliant. You can contact us directly, call us on the number on your screen given below, or visit our website www.globalsolution.co.in. For a reference, all the details are also mentioned in the description box.